How to get YouTube Music to show on Discord. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Discord on your device, and now to connect YouTube Music, you first have to connect your YouTube account. So go ahead and open Discord and then tap on the settings option on the bottom of your screen. Here you will see the option for connections. Tap on that, and in the accounts option you will see the option for YouTube. Just in case the option for YouTube is not there, then tap on the arrow you see there and then select the YouTube option. Further, go ahead and link your account. So simply enter your email address and then tap on the continue button you see there. Now, if you meet the requirements for connecting your account to Discord, then it will be connected successfully. And once you have connected your Discord to your YouTube account, YouTube Music will also be connected automatically. So this was about how you can get YouTube Music to show on Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.